Okay, so welcome to our new series called Homeschool Vocabulary. And the very first homeschool vocabulary that I would definitely love to go over is deschooling. This is a term that we are constantly talking about. You need to deschool your kid. Once you get home, you need to deschool, you need to deschool, you need to unschool, deschool, right? So let's kind of get into what deschooling is. Deschooling is doing away with the removal of an institution where instructional disciplines are given. Okay? That's pretty much what it is. It's kind of very simple in terms, but then who knows what to do with when you're deschooling, right? The biggest question is, what do I do when I deschool? Some of the things that I love to do when I deschool my homeschool students is I love to do observations. Now, that's very techie, right? Because I'm an educator and I'm always with my techie lingo. But just listening, right? That observation part is just listening, right? And participating in life with them. So what I particularly like to do is I like to sit down and I like to talk about all the things that they like to do. A lot of the times they don't even really know what they like to do. They know what their parents like to do. So when I am with them, I talk about what makes them happy. What are the things that makes them happy? What are the things that make them feel joy inside? How and when do those things come to play in their life? Because a lot of times when we are focusing on what makes them happy, they tend to learn a little bit better. So that is my portion of deschooling.